Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and I'm a fluid figurative artist. Today I'll be showing you how I did my Betta fish series. There are 9 pieces, but today I'm just demonstrating one to you. So first I start off with the outline just to know where the fins and the body should be, and then I'm going to color the background with black paints. Now you can actually just pour and blow it out with a hairdryer, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to have a lot of paint dripping down from the sides of the canvas. So I want the space to be as clean as possible, and that is why I use this methodology instead. Oh yes, before I forget, if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to it and hit the notification button so you always get a new update from me as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you all so much. Let's get back to our pour. So right now I'm just outlining the parts with paints. Now I'm trying not to put a lot of paints on this canvas because the less is more. Basically, if you put more, then the chances of you getting a nice chain pull won't be there. So because I'm using a chain to pull the paints, I have to make sure that the paints are not that thick. As you observe, you can see that I'm just putting paints and spreading them out because I wanted the base to be as thin as possible. Now, I'm just going to repeat this step throughout the whole piece, and if you want to skip forward, you can skip forward to the parts where I start to use a chain to pull the paints. But I think watching step by step is a very relaxing and therapeutic way to release your stress and also to learn how to paint and pour. If you have any questions on why I do this, why I do that, and if you want to know more about this chainpull technique, you can always comment at the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Right now, just sit back and enjoy the whole process. are almost at the end of the video. Now, if you may ask why I torture it so harshly, the reason is because I want it to have a lot of tiny cells forming at the body, and by doing so it creates a lot of characteristics to the body and the part of the fish. Now would you look at this blue? This blue is a metallic blue, and that is why certain part of it sinks into the paint and it creates a very nice deep ambiguous spacey feel to the whole painting, like there's depth in the painting itself and it's not just an ordinary pour. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this process and I hope you love this piece as much as I do. Take care all, and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!